study the IV characteristics of the given solar cell, and also we have to calculate the field factor and the value of resistance for the maximum. Okay, so here we have to connect our circuit as per the circuit diagram. So as per given circuit diagram, here is our solar cell. Here is the connection, we have to done the connection which is according to solar cell. Then here is the current, we have to measure the current in ampere actually, but we take first in microampere, then after that we convert it into ampere. Then here is the potential, that is hold. Here is the load knob of the load resistance. We have to rotate this knob and measure the simultaneously potential as well as the current. So firstly we connect our circuit. So here as in the given circuit diagram, the connection is according to the solar cell, so we also connect the solar cell connection according to the circuit diagram. So here is our potential, we have to make the connection. Here is the current, okay, and internally load resistance is connected. So see here, two multimeter we use, one for the measuring the current and one for the potential. So see, here is our potential, here is our current. Now we rotate this knob. First we have to given the light to this solar cell. So see, after giving the light, here current is changing, potential is changing. So this is our current knob, this is our potential knob, and we have to measure. We have to take the readings. See, here is your potential, here is your current. So first we get the potential as 1.54. So right here 1.54 and current is 0.015. So right here 0.015. Okay. Now for equal distance, suppose 1.50, 1.4, 1.3, we take this difference. As knob is rotating, our potential and our current both are changing. So like this we have to take the first. Then we have to find out the power. The formula for power is nothing but V into I. So we take the reading of potential, we take the reading of current, and then we have to calculate the power. Then after that resistance. So the formula for resistance is V upon I. Okay. Now most important, what is the principle of solar cell? So it works on the principle of photovoltaic. Here is our theory, that is photovoltaic cell. So it works on the principle of photovoltaic effect. Okay. So solar cell convert the solar energy into the electric energy. We have to then we have to plot the two graphs. First is the IV characteristics, that is I upon V, and second one is the power versus resistance. Okay. Then we have to find the field factor. Understand?